Electric scooter fender repair. This is from a Mototec Switch Blade. They pulled on it and cracked it. Plastic welding. It's your friend. It's not that expensive to get. You literally are just going to heat this and melt it in. I'm going to kind of show that. But you can see it's a lot more rigid than if we would just epoxy it. I might just epoxy this after to give it a little bit more strength in here. But you can see how rigid this is. You know, that's why you do plastic welding. But I noticed that it had another crack on it from the customer here. So, not really sure. Oh, I think that bracket's going to be in our way. Alright, and bracket was kind of in my way. So, you can see here, I'm just going to go in, and I already have it matched up, and you heat, and you press in. You don't want to go too far. You'll kind of know when it's even. This is a pretty thick piece of plastic, so it makes it a lot easier. Then you're letting it cool. You know, you don't want to just rip it out. And then you can see here what we did. And then you just trim these and you're good. But you can see how more rigid that made that. And I'm going to probably sneak one in here yet. But then that way, that's a lot better than just epoxying it. You know, plastic welding is kind of a cool thing. I've done it on cars and other stuff. But like I said, it's nothing fancy. It's nothing... this might be a little too thick for this spot, but... yeah, it might be. But we're going to make it work. Because it needs to be strong there. Because that's where a lot of the tension is going to be on that bolt. And you can see here how it's plastic welded now. Look at that, it was pretty perfect actually. But yeah, look at that, then strength. And I'm going to epoxy this just because you just trim these and then boom, bada bang, you can fix your fender. It's, look how rigid that is. You know, would never be that rigid without that. So, plastic welding, it's your friend when you're fixing stuff like this. But you can see how thick this plastic is. If you have a really thin plastic, yeah, it's not going to work out.